Guys, we made it to the Chevy booth and we're gonna check out their LT1 convertible concept Camaro. Let's get to it. Today's video is brought to you by the 2019 CamaroCon event t-shirt. Check out the link below and see if we have your size in stock today. What's going on, guys? Matt over here, Lethal Garage. Look, we got Offer from Gen 5 DIY as well hanging out. But we're here at the Chevy booth checking out this LT1 concept convertible. And as you guys know, the LT1 convertible is already available, but in this rendition, they've basically taken their whole book of parts and pieces and kind of threw at it. They did a lot of upgraded trim, the body kit. You can see the red styling up front. The stripe package is funny. I kind of went online and was messing around with their configurator in my last video and kind of did the same thing with the hood. So that being stated, the stripes come all the way across. We got the nice wheels on there, dual mode exhaust. I'll have to look at the actual stand to find out what styling they actually did with it. But overall, Offer's waving me down. But it looks like the screens and everything are still the standard size of what you would find in the LT. And yeah, it's a clean looking car. For the price point, it sounds like this would be like 40 to 43 as it sits right now. That's not too bad for a convertible. Let's look at the stand real quick and see exactly what they're calling out here. Second gen front fascia, upgraded wheels, rear blackout stripes, spider stripes red hot, center stinger stripes satin black, fuel door, dark tail lamp clit, interior automatic trans, interior lighting package. So the performance stuff, they did put it on lowering, the GM lowering suspension. There is a cold air intake on it, strut tower brace, which you get anyways in a convertible, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. There's an engine cover in red. The hood's not up, so we have no idea what it looks like under there. And they did the front 6-pot brakes, so it's got the big brakes that you find on the ZL1 and the SS1LE. So, hey, Camaro News, Jason Port, what's up? So Jason just popped in, yes, and that's about it. So it's not really much new to look at. I mean, there's a couple styling things. I guess there's some newness under the hood, but the hood's closed. Yeah. Chris, reach in there and pop the hood. Dare you? Watch, the alarm will go off. The alarm will go off. No. All you have to do is ask, and it happens. So they did do the red touch-up. They do have the GM Performance CAI, so I'm assuming it's tuned for it. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. Now the question is how different is this strut tower brace versus the standard strut tower that comes in the convertibles?
It's not. So this is just an alt finish of a convertible.
So it's just an alt finish, okay. Yeah. So yes, you just get a prettier strut tower brace, guys. Yeah. There you go. Hey, it says Chevy Performance. That's worth at least 5 horsepower, right, Chris?
You got it.
Right? You guys know Chris Frezza.
What's up, guys?
So, all the Camaro guys are here, and we're here. I guess over my shoulder, over there is the John Force Copo, so we're gonna go check that out next. But outside of that, this is the only Camaro in the GM booth that's not a Copo. Yeah, that's it, guys. Sorry. Until next time. See you on the road.
At least they made the same color.
Look, it's still got baby brakes in the back. I think they used a GM used the G2 paint kit. That doesn't even look powder coated.